mechanization is the key, and this is the way forward to mechanization is the future of the common farmer, and that is the way forward in saving time and money when it comes to the time taken and the precision, when it comes to precision and the accuracy.
Yeah, in terms of maybe post-harvest loss, now you're harvesting with this machine here. You'll appreciate that as you have seen our fields, you don't get any potatoes which are cut, which are fallen here, because some of them will be left on ground when you are using a hoe or a djembe. End product also matter to the buyer or consumer.
You get 98% of your crops good, which there is minimal damage, which is close to zero. Compared to the manual way, where you can easily cut a potato when you're using a djembe or a hoe, you can easily cut. But when it comes to harvesting, for instance, this harvester, the depth of the cutter goes deeper than the surface where the potatoes are.